What if the weather across the eastern United States is about to completely change after weeks of extreme heat and dry conditions? The atmosphere is finally waking up. A stalled weather front is pulling huge amounts of tropical moisture inland. That means powerful thunderstorms, dangerous flash flooding, and possibly the beginning of a completely different weather pattern. Some experts even believe this could be the first sign that a wetter season is arriving. But how long will it last? And could an even larger coastal storm develop before the end of July? Let's find out. For much of this summer, millions of people across the eastern United States have watched the ground become drier every week. Lawns turned brown, small streams disappeared, farmers worried about crops, cities saw temperatures climb day after day. Many areas desperately needed rain. Now, the atmosphere is finally responding. A slow-moving frontal boundary has stopped moving across the eastern states. Normally, cold fronts keep traveling, but this one has stalled. That creates the perfect setup for repeated rounds of thunderstorms. Instead of one storm passing through, new storms continue forming over the same locations. Meteorologists call this training. Imagine train cars moving over the exact same railroad tracks. Storms can behave the same way, one after another, again and again. That means some neighborhoods could receive several inches of rain, while nearby towns see much less. This is why weather forecasts become difficult. Small changes can make a huge difference. Behind this front, warm air from the Gulf is flowing northward. That air carries enormous amounts of moisture. Think of the atmosphere like a giant sponge. Right now, that sponge is becoming completely soaked. When enough energy builds, it squeezes out as heavy rain. Forecast models show very humid air covering much of the southeast. High humidity does more than make people uncomfortable. It also gives thunderstorms more fuel. The hotter the afternoon becomes, the stronger storms can grow. Lightning, heavy rainfall, strong wind gusts, and localized flooding all become more likely. The greatest concern is not just one thunderstorm. It's repeated storm complexes. Large groups of storms can continue developing hour after hour. During the daytime, the sun heats the ground. That warm air rises. By evening, new thunderstorms explode. Overnight, they organize into large storm clusters. Then, the entire cycle can repeat the next day. This pattern could continue through much of the weekend. The Carolinas, Virginia, Georgia, Tennessee, and neighboring states may all experience periods of dangerous weather. Some communities could receive an entire month's worth of rain in only a few days. That's enough to overwhelm drainage systems, fill small creeks, and create sudden flash flooding. Remember, flash flooding often happens much faster than people expect. Roads that look safe can become dangerous within only a few minutes. Even shallow moving water can carry away vehicles. That's why meteorologists always say, never drive through flooded roads. Turn around. Find another route, because the road underneath may no longer exist. And while flooding is the biggest concern, damaging winds are also becoming more likely. Some thunderstorms may produce wind gusts strong enough to knock down trees, damage power lines, and leave thousands without electricity. The atmosphere is entering a much more active phase, and this is only the beginning.